Hello kindergartens, I made this video just for you, and here's how to fold a paper airplane. First you want to start off by folding it in half. Make sure you get it right in half and firmly push it down. So once you got it folded, give you a little chance, fold the paper in half. Open it up. You can see the crease is what you want. And then you take the tops and fold them in. See what I did? I went and folded it in to meet that line. And snug that down and repeat on the other side. Go ahead and do that. So now, fold it back in half right on that seam, as so, and fold it nice and across again. So then you're made with this, and that's your inside. And then you take here, and then fold it down to meet the bottom. And then flip it over so it's like this, and then repeat so it touches the bottom. And if you had folded it correctly, these wings should be even. Open it up as so, and then you have a paper airplane. To make it more fast and fly better, instead of just doing the one fold, here's where it gets a bit complicated. You fold it in twice to the center. See, that's what it was, and now that's what it is. Fold it nice and good and repeat on that side. Then it should look something like this. Yeah, again, fold it into the center. And then repeat and fold the edges down to meet the bottom. As so. And then you got your very good paper airplane. I'm going to show you it flying now. So now here's the paper airplane, and that flies. As so. So yeah, that's the tutorial on how to make paper airplane. Bye.